So after a 2 hours drive and a night's sleep in one of the camping sites, we are back in Taupo, or Taupo, or I don't know how you guys call it, but it's Taupo to me.
Oh, Taupo!
Oh yeah, or Taupo, yes. Taupo's the other one. And we're heading to this
Cafe?
Cafe, yeah, it's called Spoon and Paddle. Apparently it's quite good. So if you happen to stay in the Haka Lodge, you get a little card. Oh yeah, that looks like that. You have this little card. And if you...
And a chop behind.
Yeah. And if you bring it there, you get a free coffee with every breakfast. And coffee isn't cheap here.
How good is that?
Oh shit.
Right.
Yep, so I'm gonna cut that out.
Why?
Because it was an awkward silence.
Because you didn't talk.
Yeah, so this is Spoon and Paddle. So right after Spoon and Paddle, went to wash up, and now we're waiting for our bus to Wellington. It's a 6-hour bus ride, and that's all we are traveling with. Small backpack with my cameras and stuff, and all our clothing's here. Yeah, Kathmandu fans! Woohoo! So the bus comes at like 3:10. And we are like 20 minutes early, so we're just gonna chill a while and wait for the bus. And yeah, we'll see you later. We reached Wellington after 6 hours. My ass hurts. And we ran out of cash, so we have to walk to the hostel, which is like 2 kilometers away, 20 minutes walk, and I really hope the audio works. Please work. We just checked into our hostel. It's a 4-bed dorm. And the view here is nice though. Like it kind of reminds me of Singapore. Yeah, it is getting late, so I want to go to the bar, but we'll see how it goes. And maybe we can do some nice shots tomorrow morning if I wake up early. See ya!